Hey there! We all know one of the fastest ways a construction schedule can fall apart is materials showing up late. That's why TeamGantt now makes it easy to track material lead times, so you know what to order, when to order it, and whether it's on site when the crew shows up. Let me show you how it works and how it can help you avoid costly delays. Every task depends on materials, but if delivery slips even by a day, you're stuck. With TeamGantt, you can set and track when materials need to arrive, set and track an order by date, and track all your purchase orders in one place, right with the task. Start by hovering over any task in your Gantt chart. Click the triangle icon. That's your Track Materials button. This opens a simple window where you can enter everything you need for that task. Say we want materials on site a week before the task starts. You can click the calendar icon and set the required on-job date. Next, enter the lead time, how long it takes to receive the material after ordering. Just enter a number and then D for day, W for week, or M for month. Let's enter 1W, 2D for 1 week and 2 days. TeamGantt calculates the order by date automatically, so you know exactly when to place the order. And you have an indicator of exactly how long you have left to place the order for that material. If the order date passes without you placing the order, the indicator will show up red. Also, TeamGantt can track each material's status: ordered, delivered, or not yet ordered. You can also assign a purchaser, upload a purchase order, and track the order by date by selecting it in the calendar dropdown. It's a great way to make sure that one missed PO won't throw off your entire timeline. And if you've got more than one material tied to a task, no problem. Just click Add Material and enter as many as you need. No matter how many materials you need for the task, you can track it all in one place. Now, when you hover over the triangle icon for a task, you'll see a quick snapshot of what's needed, when it's due, and what still hasn't been ordered. It's an easy way to stay ahead of procurement, right in your project plan, without digging through spreadsheets or emails. So that's how material lead times work in TeamGantt. It's simple, flexible, and built to keep your crews moving, not waiting on deliveries. Give it a try by signing up for a TeamGantt account at construction.teamgantt.com. And hey, if this was helpful, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tips to keep your builds on track. See you next time.